YG. I mean, Young Gemini. Never listen to game. Bad. 6 years now and I ain't been real. I was lying to him niggas, let me tell him the deal. Baby, I'm so bad, left the nigga for his dad. Ain't he telling me that I left his life sad? I don't even give a shit, I told him that I liked his dad. Told him twice, even on the bass song. Don't you play with me, something might go wrong. Long story short, I'ma make it so long. Life is going fast, what the hell of a ride? Is it bad, is it good? I just can't decide. It's the Young Gemini shit you can't divide. I'm a mini G, easy, got the hell of some pride. I be rising up for cheesy, watch the charts collide. And I told you that I love you, I ain't sorry, I lied. Wanna be a goodie, that's the shit that I tried. But I'm bad. Cocaine fragrance, always out of decence. You can ask my friends, they will tell you I got no sense. They mean, all I do is live life. Wanna marry me, I am not a good wife. Nigga been a baddie since my whole life. Smoking marijuana, claiming that I can restore life. I be riding around in a phantom. Pretty chick like me, nigga, I ain't random. I don't got no time to wear Nike sandals. I only do it cause I want that shit I can handle. Ladies wanna kill me, Nipsey. I just talk too much, nigga, really, I'm just tipsy. Ha! They told me I'm a rebel, I told them I'm a devil. You couldn't see the level, I'ma kick you like a pebble. You really gotta settle cause I'm bad. Man, I'm bad. Everywhere the bodies, I'm always involved. It's like the trouble likes me, problem couldn't be solved. Every boy on me, I'm like, I'm too soft. Every time I'm walking, I'm just feeling like Thor. And I say the shit I feel. You say you want respect, tell me what the hell for. You need respect, you need cash, back and forth. They say I gotta change, it's the shit I ignore. Cause everything I do makes me more of a pro. Like tattoos, piercings, to know it's all. Man, I really did the pain and I think I need more. I'm just telling you the shit that I did. Now all them niggas wanna be my VIP. Cause I'm really bad and they A-R-E. And they really like me cause it's really highly that I'm bad. It's everything that them other chicks wanna be, but they just don't get it. I don't want no niggas front of me. I say money front of me. I don't got no niggas, I just really got them 100 enemies. I be falling on the floor acting careless. I was getting high, I was acting careless. Why you looking down on my wordplay? I know it's dope, but I really need a vacay. Life steaming bad, nigga always bad.